Right guys, so here we're going looking at digestibility and three different terms associated with digestibility. So we have dry matter digestibility, and dry matter intake. So the way I'm going to explain them here today is I'm going to start off with dry matter intake as number one. So dry matter intake is the total amount of feed an animal consumes excluding its water content. So the total amount of hay, silage, haylage, grass that an animal intakes into its body is the dry matter intake. The dry matter number two is the matter remaining in a sample of food after the water has been removed. So in a ruminant animal, the water is going to be removed. In the omasum or in a monogastric, usually going to take place in your large intestine where the water is being removed from the food. So when the water has been removed from your food, you are left with your dry matter. And then number three is your dry matter digestibility, or your DMD, and that is the percentage of that dry matter that can be digested by an animal. Okay, so your DMD is a percentage of the dry matter, not the DMI, the dry matter that can be digested by an animal. So here we're going to look at an example. So a steer, or sometimes known as a bullock, is just a castrated bull. So this steer consumes 25 kilos of grass with 4 kilograms excreted. From the remaining dry matter, the steer could only digest 15 kilograms. Find the DMI, the DM, and the DMD. So our DMI is the total amount of food intaken by an animal. So our DMI straight away is just going to be equal to 25 kilograms. When we're looking to find our dry matter, it's our DMI minus what the animal has excreted. Okay, so our DMI was 25 kilograms. They excreted 4 kilograms. Therefore, we're going to be left with 21 kilograms. That is our dry matter, when water and all waste has been removed from the total food intaken. And our dry matter digestibility is going to be a percentage of what was digested over our total DM, multiplied by 100 over 1 to get our percentage. So what was digested? 15 kilograms was digested. The total dry matter isn't 25 kilograms, it's 21. 21 kilograms is the potential of dry matter that could be digested by the animal. However, only 15 kilograms of that was digested. Multiply that by 100 over 1 and we get 70% or 71% DMD. On to our next example, our heifer. So what is a heifer? So it's just a female that hasn't had a calf yet. Hasn't had a calf. And basically when a heifer has a calf, it's going to be known as a cow. So a heifer consumes 20 kilograms of grass with 5 kilograms excreted. From the remaining dry matter, the heifer could only digest 12 kilograms. Find the DMI, the DM, and the DMD. So again, the total food intaken, or the DMI, is going to be 20 kilograms. The dry matter, or the DM, is going to be our DMI minus what was excreted, or when water has been removed. So that is going to be 20 kilograms minus our 5 kilograms. That will equal 15 kilograms is our dry matter. And of that 15 kilograms, which is our dry matter, how much of that was digested? So what was digested over our DM multiplied by 100 over 1. So 12 kilograms was digested. 15 kilograms is our dry matter multiplied by our 100 over 1, and that is going to give us a percentage of 80% DMD.